I'm Aislinn Renfro. Thank you for taking the time to consider me for this position. Today I'm going to be walking you through my case study lesson. The skill that I covered in the lesson is 4.GM.1.2, where we will be describing and classifying quadrilaterals. In the pre-class instructional video that I provided, I will be teaching from brainingcamp.com. I will be using a GeoBoard, and I will encourage the students to use their own GeoBoard or to get one on toytheater.com and follow along with me as we build the quadrilaterals together. We will talk about the word quadrilateral, write out the definition, and then we will build different quadrilaterals and classify them as we go along, talking about if the sides are parallel, if they are adjacent, and if they are congruent. At the end of the pre-class lesson, I will ask the students to go review the definitions of adjacent, congruent, and parallel, and then they will bring those to our in-class lesson. For my review warm-up at the beginning of our actual in-class lesson, I will go over the things that we talked about in the video, and we will review the definitions, and then I will ask the students to share out any of the quadrilaterals that they had built on their GeoBoards. I would love for them to share what they made. During the actual lesson, I will introduce a quadrilaterals flowchart where we will discuss the meaning of the flowchart and how to apply it to different quadrilaterals. So I will present the students with different quadrilaterals, and we will try to go through the flowchart together, deciding what we would classify it as. Once I feel that the students understand the idea of the flowchart, then I will introduce, we'll start constructing our own quadrilaterals in our math journals. I will ask the students to have pencil and paper to actually draw these in their math journals at home. I'll encourage them to use a straight edge so that they are actually accurate, and the students will go through their math journal. I will present a couple of different types of questions. Some of the questions might include asking the student to look at a shape and tell me what it is. I might give them attributes, like a description of a quadrilateral, and the students will be asked to draw it and then tell me the name of it. At the end of our lesson, I will share properties of quadrilaterals paper where students can print them off, or they can copy them into their math notebooks at home. For the exit ticket, the students will be asked to complete an IXL practice over quadrilaterals. They will be expected to show 80% mastery on the IXL lesson and then send a screenshot to me before they can leave the meeting. That is all I've got. Let me know if you have any